What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use CAD software called OnShape. I haven't talked much about CAD software, but that is the trade I take at my school. I go to a trade school, so basically means 1 week I'm in academics and 1 week I'm in shop, which could be electrical, automotive, culinary, graphic design, plumbing. I don't know if I already said that. But what I take is called CAD CAM, and it's pretty cool. CAD, just think of it as secondhand engineering, but it's computer-aided design, and then CAM is computer-aided manufacturing, which is essentially just machining and manufacturing. CAD is where we design it all, is the foundation of the world, pretty much. It's where everything gets designed and where we print everything, where we 3D print stuff. It's where we make the parts, it's where we design them to get made. So, that's CAD. CAM is where you make them. It's manufacturing, it's machining, CNC lathes, mills, that type of stuff, plasma cutters. But today I'm going to be showing you how to use the software called OnShape. It's a CAD software, and I'm going to be giving you guys a quick tutorial on pretty much how you work it and how you design things and make things. It's going to be pretty simple. But without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so here I'm going to show you a project that I've made in shop. It's a hammer, basically. And I'll just kind of be showing you the assembly to it. It's not your typical hammer. It's not your ball peen hammer. It's not your curved claw. It's a little bit different than that. But I'm just pretty much going to show you what we design in the shop. It might be a little bit slow. My computer's kind of old, but it seems to be working pretty okay. But this is the hammer I've designed. The sensitivity is very different. But when you click on the hammerhead or the handle, you can move it around pretty much, and you can see what you want to see if you move it around. This is the assembly. You can only do this on assembly. There's drawing, and then there's part studio. Part studio is the actual part. So let's just show you very quickly. So that's something I've designed to get like the screw type thing, like oil. That's what it was made. But yeah. So yeah, let's get out of that and let's go over to the create button, and we're gonna create a new document, and we're just gonna call it demonstration. I'm just gonna demonstrate how to make a simple part. Doesn't really have much use at all. It's just to show you how things work. So what this is here on our right is called orthographic projection, which is your 6 view planes: front, top, back, bottom, left, and right. And pretty much what you do there is you click your sketch plane, you select which one. I want to do front, so I'm going to click front. I'm going to left click it. That was a little bit slow. Then we're going to click sketch, and now I'm in. So what I'm going to start off doing is going up here to my rectangle area, and I'm going to click center point rectangle. Then I'm going to go to my origin. This is the origin. And I'm just going to make it anything, because I can show you can change it no matter what size you place it down as. Now I'm going to go here to dimension, and this is your dimension tool where you can change the size of anything. Now you can just click D for a shortcut, but here I'm going to click the top line, drag it up a little bit, and I think I'm going to put it at 5. You can type it, you can use your scroll wheel. Typing's a lot easier, but here we're going to go to the side and we're going to change the height. So after I click the side, I'm just going to go over here, and I think I'll just demonstrate how you can use your scroll wheel real quick. It's a lot easier when you type it in, but I think I'm also going to place this dimension as 5. And now I have a pretty big square here. It's 2D, but I'm going to show you how to make it 3D and add material. So I'm just going to level out my plane real quick, my view. And if you go to your dimensions, you can just kind of move it a little bit. If you click off of it, you can kind of move them. But here I'm going to go to the top left area near the undo and redo buttons and click extrude. And basically what extrude does is add and removes material. Here I'm going to add about 3 inches. And now I have a square. And then I'm going to show you how you can remove material from this while keeping the actual square intact. So what we're going to do is go to the front plane. We're going to still be there. We're going to click the face of the square and go to sketch. Then we're going to go back to our rectangles, drop down menu. We're going to go back to center point, and we're just going to drop it here. And I think I'm going to set both dimensions as, 3.5 sounds good. We're going to set them as 3.5. They're already pretty close. It's not going to look too much different. Let's just select that for this side too. And boom, now we have our square drawn on this face. And it really has nothing to do with the original square. It is a new sketch. So pretty much now what we're going to do is go over to our extrude tool once more. And we're going to select remove this time. And there's 2 ways you can do this. You can use the arrow, or you could just type in the amount of material you added, which was 3. But I like to just follow through with the arrow. It makes it a lot simpler, but I'm just going to type in 3 here and show you that it works both ways. 3, click check mark, and boom. Now you have your square carved out in the middle. And I'm going to show you how to add a quick little detail that you can use on different things. If you go up to the top a little bit, you find your tool called chamfer, and essentially you just click the sides. And it adds good depth and detail to whatever you're designing. Just a cool feature I wanted to add and show you guys. But thank you guys for watching. Again, this is CAD software. It's called OnShape. It's a cloud-based website, so you can pretty much use it anywhere. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you want to see more of these videos unrelated to fishing and bushcraft and more towards the CAD software and my trade. Have a good night, guys. Thank you for watching.